What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with yet another one. And today, I'm going to quickly show you how to ice up a pair of Wolf Grey 5s using that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, these released back in 2011, but due to age and being properly stored in a basement, the soles are yellowed and the uppers have grown some nasty looking mold spores here. I don't know if you guys can see it, like, I'm trying to get close there for you. But on this particular restoration, I'm only going to focus on the soles here. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this process here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now, typically on Jordan 5s, there's a break in the middle of the sole, but as you can see on these Wolf Grey 5s, the entire sole is supposed to be icy, but it's all yellow now. So, I'm going to apply a nice even coat to the entire sole and then go ahead and smooth it in with a paintbrush here. Now, the reason I'll only be focusing on the soles here and leaving the uppers as is to add a little bit more proof for the doubters who every now and then leave that typical comment, "It's a brand new shoe," as if I have spare dead stock pairs of old classics just laying around. And once again, people, please know that even if you did find a dead stock pair of old classics that are supposed to be icy, if they're over 5 years old, they're yellowed, even if they're brand new. You know, sneakerheads know what I mean. When you go to wear that pair that you forgot about in the back of the closet, and you go open that box and they all yellowed, yeah. That's a known thing, and it's inevitable. It's called oxidation. And unfortunately, shoes need oxygen to live or they'll crumble. But it also causes yellowing. But no worries, Fabes Sole Sauce is the cure. Now, as you can see here, I'm being very careful when it comes to the toe cap of these soles. You want to avoid the gray area so you don't discolor it, but you want to get close enough so it gets that area really good, because that's kind of the hardest part. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this pair and the front really be yellowed there. So you want to be really cautious on that portion and just get as close as possible. And then go ahead and give the rest of the soles a nice even coat. After you've given your soles a nice even coat, you want to go ahead and cover them with saran wrap or any clear wrap that you're comfortable with. And as you can see here, I like to use 2 pieces of saran wrap and have them meet in the middle point of the soles to give the wrap a nice tight seal on the soles to ensure that the sauce doesn't dry out too quickly. Now, once your soles are sealed, you can go ahead and place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now, if you do have a UV light, you can go ahead and extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight in a single session. Now, that allows you to get maximum effectiveness in the shortest amount of time using the least amount of product possible. Now, after your sessions are over, simply remove the saran wrap, wash off the remaining dried up sauce with some soap, some water, and a little elbow grease, and then compare your results. Now, you guys ready? Are y'all ready? All right, now. And these are the results after just 2 sessions at 48 hours each session, totaling just 96 hours of treatment time. Go ahead, take a deep, long look. I know it's unbelievable. Hey, listen, I couldn't believe it myself. I mean, look at these things. These things are clean. I mean, dead stock pairs aren't even this clean. Just beautiful. And as you can see, they're still the same crusty old, moldy old pair of Wolf Grays. Now they're just the iciest, moldiest pair in the world. All courtesy of that Fabes Sole Sauce. Now you can grab your bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce at www.fabesole.com. Product link is also in the description. And if this video has helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, for I'll have plenty more videos to come. And if you have any particular shoes you want to see restored, simply leave a comment below. Thank you, and see you on the next one.